In this section, we'll be talking about the selection process. As we have earlier seen during the other sections, that selection process is a negative. The recruitment process is one of the major chunk there. The recruitment process, we have seen that how to gather the talent pool, then check about the recruitment processes, campus recruitment, generating a pool, even for the smaller organizations, and also the entire operations. The selection part is the second part of the entire process. So when during the entire process of the recruitment, what we got is the hireable talent. From the pool of the hireable talent, we need to identify which is the good fit that forms the part of the human capital of the organization. Now, when we talk about the selection process can be an unstructured selection process as well as the structured selection process. 100% unstructured selection process actually does not occurs in most of the organization, especially where the human resource management system or the human resource development system is involved. Okay. Initially, when the startup organization, it can be an unstructured selection process because they need people, and they usually hire from their friend circles or the people who know. That parts becomes the unstructured selection processes. When there is a proper selection, structured selection processes, then most of the organization have the structured or semi-structured kind of selection processes. The selection processes can be a written test, a group discussion, psychometric test, interviews, and the assessment center, depending upon the size and the volume of the organizations or the volume of the people that is required. Okay. If we talk about the interviews, a detailed interview system, or one of the format, that is the behavioral event interviewing system, is there in the course itself. So we can you can go and after see how the behavioral event interview system is conducted. Okay. So behavioral interview systems is basically forms under the two part, that is situational interviews and structure. They are a structural form of the interview, and the details about the interview processes and they are present in the course itself, on the section itself, in the behavioral interview section. It talks about the different interviewing techniques, and there. Then we have the assessment center. Assessment center is becomes the having the highest predictability rate, and most of the selection done through assessment center is actually more fine and more better than any other forms of the structured interview. Assessment center is an entirely big topic. Hope so that we will be getting the assessment center course very soon on this section, but the interview system has been covered in that. One important part is that when we talk about the selection process, is that using the HR analytics or the analytics, that is what actually gives us the informed decision. Okay. So what is happening is that in most of the unstructured form of interview, it's the judgment is most based on the intuitions, while there may be the organization which design the entire process of selection or process on the basis of the data. Okay. But it is always advisable that you use the analytical instruments or analytical mature analytics in case of recruitment, that gives us into the putting ourselves into the zone of the informed intuitions, that actually combines up with the experience or the expertise of the interviewer or the selection persons or the HR person. At the same time, it is data driven, that maybe that the intuition may go wrong, but it is when it is supported by the data, it does not actually goes wrong.